think with the agentic stuff, like what we were talking about before, I think the biggest is honestly trust. I mean, like it's one of the hardest things to solve, and you know, there isn't a silver bullet for that either, which is
Yeah.
tough. And so I think that's the biggest thing is like I have people all the time tell me I want I want an AI agent that I can give my problem to. It like look at that, understand, infer what to do, go out, write its own code or do execute its own workflows and solve the problem. But I also like what happens when it breaks? What who do I fire if it deletes my whole database? And
Yeah.
you've heard those horror stories about the early in the open AI days where the AI deleted the whole database and then lied to the guy about it about why it deleted the database and then finally was like, "Oh yeah, I did do that." Those are what people are afraid of. And so, the horror stories always outweigh the
Yeah. Yeah.
victories. I mean,
Um,
the other piece to that too, though, is um, because it's newer technology, the attack vectors and things that we're discovering change every day. And so, like, I think that is where the trust really hits me. When I talk to security guys, even today, they say, "Well, I think I know where I need to secure, but tomorrow that might change, or the next
yep.
update to this model might change that." And so, like, I think yeah, that trust plus change management is always the people aspect is always the hardest part. So yeah,
Yep.
I mean, it's the opportunities are scary and endless, and you laugh at the Terminator jokes, but at the same time, those of us that are in it every day are like, well, some of that is it's a little scary. So